Na niguo gutigirira bara ya kuhitana na indo itakinyaniire ikiro bururi-ini ni yagacirithio, Ministry ya iganda na wonjoria ni yaniriire gucabithio kwa mawatho meeru maria marikoragwo makirumirwo ni onjoria mbere ya indo ciao cietikirikite guku bururi-ini. Peter Munya niwe Minister wa iganda na wonjoria.
The KEBS appointed inspection agents shall issue the certificate of conformity known as COC, certificate of roadworthiness COR, in respect to goods and or motor vehicles that conform to the relevant Kenya standards and other applicable regulations.
Munya ningi ni yaniriire kurugamio gwa kambuni igiri kuma bururi wa China iria ikoretwo igithie mugaru na mawatho ma honge cia guthurima ikiro cia wagiriru wa indo guku bururi-ini na gucungiriria mageca bara-ini iria ikoretwo yambikitwo ni thirikari.
China Certification and Inspections Group Company Limited, also known as CCIC, in Zone 2, which is specifically China mainland, and 2 SGS in Zone 4, which is the Far East, covering the following countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam.
Mworoto-ini wa kunina muhatikano uria ukoretwo ku icukiro-ini cia mirigo mwena wa Mombatha na Embakasi, Ministry ino ningi ni yarire mitaratara itiganite ari ni hamwe na guthengia marihi ma thito cia kuiga mirigo kuri onjoria iria marikitie kuhitukirio mirigo yao kwa ihinda ria nduku 14 kuma tariki 29 mweri uyu.
All government agencies have been directed to immediately utilize the Kenya National Electronic Single Window to expedite clearance of goods. Where goods have been identified to be of high risk, joint and synchronized verification shall be carried out by all agencies simultaneously.
Kwa ihinda ria makiria ma mieri 5 riu, bara ya kurwa na indo cia magendo ikoretwo icacite thutha uhoro kumbuka Kenya makoretwo makihinda cukari wihuritwo ni irengereri cia thumu. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, wonjoria.